Hey there, budget enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YNAB tutorial series. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to reconcile your credit card in YNAB, the app that helps you take control of your finances. If you've ever felt confused about why your budget doesn't match your bank statements, don't worry. This step-by-step guide will clear it all up and keep your money on track. First things first, let's talk about what reconciliation means. In YNAB, reconciling is like double-checking your work. It's verifying that the balance in your app matches the actual balance from your credit card statement. This process helps catch any mistakes, prevents overspending, and gives you that satisfying peace of mind. To get started, open up your YNAB app or website and head to the Accounts page. Find your credit card account. Maybe it's your everyday spender or that rewards card you love. Once you're there, look for the Reconcile button, usually at the top of the screen. Step 1. Grab your latest credit card statement and note the current balance. Enter that exact amount into the reconciliation field in YNAB. The app will then compare this with your recorded transactions and show you any differences. Next, go through the list of transactions. YNAB makes this easy by highlighting unmatched items. Match each one to your statement. If something's missing, add it quickly. For example, if you forgot to log that coffee run, this is your chance to fix it. If you spot discrepancies, like a transaction that doesn't add up, investigate right away. Maybe it's a bank error or a simple input mistake. YNAB lets you edit on the spot. Once everything lines up perfectly, hit that Reconcile button to confirm. Pro tip: do this every month when your statement arrives to stay ahead of potential issues. It's a quick process that takes just a few minutes but saves you from bigger headaches down the road. And there you have it. Reconciling your credit card in YNAB is straightforward and empowers you to budget with confidence. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that financial freedom together.